Look at this dude.
Gents, I get it. You want to dress sharp no matter how hot it is outside. But the reality is, many men make massive mistakes when it comes to their summer style. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid making those mistakes so that you can look amazing in hot weather. The first piece of clothing we're going to talk about, your shirt. Specifically, I'm talking about the polo shirt and short sleeve button down. Two staples of a stylish man's summer wardrobe. Now, the biggest mistake I see most guys making here, they're wearing the wrong sized shirt. They don't get the fit right. Most guys are wearing shirts that are too big or sometimes too small in the shoulders. The shoulder seam should rest right where your shoulder bone ends. Next up, the fit in the chest in the waist. Now, baggy shirts are fine, I guess, if you're into that look, but you definitely want to avoid a shirt that is so tight that the buttons are straining. And to be honest, if you're spending time in the gym, you've got a good build, a well-tailored fit will show off that great summer body. And now let's talk about your arms, aka how the shirt should fit in the sleeves. So you want the length of the sleeves to hit mid-bicep. Longer and it tends to look sloppy. Shorter, yeah, it just doesn't look as masculine. As far as the width's concerned, most sleeves are going to fit too loose unless you've got really large guns. Take them into a tailor or simply do it yourself. That being said, if you've got massive biceps and triceps here, don't wear a shirt that's so tight that's cutting off circulation. The perfect fit should slightly hug the bicep without feeling uncomfortable. Next up, let's talk about shirt length. So in general, a polo shirt or even a t-shirt should sit about 2 to 3 inches below the belt line. Button-down shirts, they can be a little bit longer, but not too much, maybe 3 to 4 inches below the belt line. The rule of thumb here is that you want to avoid a shirt that's so short that it shows off your midsection whenever you raise your arms. On the flip side, you know you're going to want to get that shirt shortened if it looks like you're wearing a dress. Next up, let's talk one of the most overlooked items in a man's summer wardrobe, his socks. Now you may be thinking the obvious, socks with sandals, a massive style sin.
No, God, please, no!
But gents, there are many other sock and shoe mistakes that you may not have considered. You want to avoid crew cut socks with shorts, even ankle socks. Yeah, guys, instead, look for the invisible type of socks that don't show anything. They look great with a pair of loafers. Now, some of you guys may be thinking, well, I'll just go sockless then. Why spend money on something that nobody sees? Well, here's the deal, is going sockless can start to develop an odor, and yeah, it's better to go with those no-show socks. Believe me, they're relatively inexpensive. Look for some deals out there. The next summer wardrobe essential we want to talk about, your shorts. And once again, the big sin I see guys here committing is messing up the fit. Seriously, most guys are wearing shorts that are way too large. It gives you the chicken leg look. A great pair of shorts that fit you properly should fit you close throughout the leg. We're talking maybe an extra 2 inches of fabric. If you've got 6 inches of fabric, yeah, way too much. You can actually take these to a tailor and get them adjusted, FYI. They should also fit close enough around your waist so that you don't need a belt to hold them up. Now, you may spend a lot of time in the gym. The squat rack may be your friend. But if you're wearing shorts that are way too large in the backside area, yeah, they're not going to show off that nice backside. When you're buying shorts, look and make sure there's a good fit there. That being said, when no one's looking, go ahead and do a few squats because you don't want anything too tight that's going to rip in your back. Now, length is a matter of preference. In general, the best shorts that are going to work for you and your body type are those that sit a couple inches above the knee. Next up in a man's summer wardrobe, let's talk about sunglasses. Now, the biggest mistake I see here is that a lot of guys wear shades that are designed for a specific purpose, such as sports shades. And again, these you may think make you look cool, but guys, go for a more traditional look. Go for the classic style that pretty much works with any face shape. We're talking aviators. Now, if you've already got a pair of aviators or you want something that stands out a bit more, then look at Wayfarers, another classic design that really doesn't get as much attention, and these definitely stand out. And for the guy that wants to look sophisticated but still go with the classic style that is going to work with a wide variety of face shapes, check out Clubmasters. And gents, when you're not using those sunglasses, make sure to take care of them and put them away properly. We're not talking about sliding them right in your pocket or putting them on top of your head. Instead, have a protective case that you can put them in. All right, gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now, gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitaman. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously, gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitaman for free. And of course, when we're talking about a summer wardrobe, let's not forget swimwear, specifically your swim trunks. Your swimwear is pretty casual. Feel free to have fun with colors and patterns. You don't have to stick to all the conservative options out there. Now, personally, I do draw the line at neon green Speedos, but for my European friends, if you want to rock it, go for it. But seriously, gents, let's talk about the different styles, and you want to choose one that's going to flatter your body type. So first up, let's talk about board shorts. If you are cut, if you are relatively young, and I'm talking in your early 20s, board shorts, they work for you. However, for guys with a dad bod, for guys that are carrying a bit of extra weight around the midsection, you want to avoid them. They're too long, they're too baggy. Well, the key here is to go with a swimsuit that fits you well in the waist with an elastic. You want something with a good solid elastic around there so that it will hold tight. And this sounds counterintuitive, but there are larger guys out there that it works for them to go with a smaller suit. It's just simply going to fit their body and it's going to stay in place. You want something that is going to stay put. So what video to watch next? Well, how about jeans and the mistakes so many guys make when they are wearing denim? These are the mistakes you want to avoid. Check out this video right here. Just click right on it. It'll take you over to jeans and the mistakes you want to avoid making as a man, because guys, believe me, there are so many things. Yeah, guys, go watch the video. It's a good one. And that's it. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.